Welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we'll guess the popular Christmas movies by emojis. We prepared 40 questions and you have 10 seconds to find the answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. Let's see how many Christmas movies you can guess correctly. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel. And 3, 2, 1, let's get started. The first emoji. Can you guess what Christmas movie it is? That's amazing, it's Elf. Find the name of this movie. Exactly, it's Frozen. Which Christmas movie is this? A Charlie Brown Christmas. Do you have any ideas? Home Alone, that's true. Can you guess which song Kevin sings?
It's made me blind to everything that you were worth. I've always noticed you since we were the age of...
Then I woke up, found I was on my own. Not bad at first. I was
loading up, nowhere squad, 1v1, missing shots, that kid runs.
Time's up, and the correct answer is B. Great job! Keep guessing this Christmas movie. Very good. It's I'll Be Home for Christmas. Which movie could this be? A Christmas Prince. Find the name of this movie. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. How about this movie? Excellent, this movie's The Grinch. Can you find the odd Grinch emoji out? Time's up, and the odd Grinch emoji's here, third row. The challenge is fun, isn't it? Keep guessing. Good job, that's the Santa Claus. Which Christmas movie are these emojis from? Well done, it's Jingle All the Way. What about these emojis? Amazing, the Muppet Christmas Carol's right. Do you have any ideas? Perfect, the Polar Express is the correct answer. Let's listen and guess the name of this Christmas song. This song is great, and it's All I Want for Christmas Is You. Let's continue with these emojis. The Nightmare Before Christmas. Which Christmas movie is this? Good job! It's The Search for Santa Paws. What's the name of this movie? Very great, it's Frosty the Snowman. How about this movie? Can you guess it? Yes, good, this movie's Bad Santa. Remember the position of all emojis. Where's the Santa Claus emoji located? Where's the Santa Claus emoji located? Time's up. Let's check the answer. The Santa Claus emoji's here. Great job. Keep guessing this Christmas movie. Great, that movie's name is Four Christmases. Guess the movie by these emojis. Amazing! It's One Magic Christmas. Next emoji. Which movie do you think? Office Christmas Party. What about these emojis? That's for sure. It's about Daddy's home too. Would you rather spend a day watching Christmas movies or shopping for Christmas presents? Which one do you choose? Leave your answers in the comments to let us know. Let's move on. Find the name of this Christmas movie. Correct, it's about the Christmas candle. Which movie's this? Of course, it's A Christmas Story. How about this movie? The Man Who Invented Christmas. Any guesses? Fantastic! That's Falling for Christmas. Next, find 3 differences in these 2 pictures. Time's up. Now let's check the answer. Keep it up. Which movie are these emojis from? Great job! It's about A Christmas Carol. What's the name of this movie? The Night Before. Do you have any ideas? Wow, good idea! Black Christmas. Find the name of this Christmas movie. White Christmas, that's true. Black Christmas versus White Christmas. Which movie do you think is better? What are your options? Please vote in the comments below. Guess the Christmas movie by these emojis. Great, that's Mickey's Christmas Carol. What's the name of this movie? You got it right, it's Scrooged. Which movie could this be? Miracle on 34th Street. Find the name of this movie. Christmas Vacation, that's for sure. Guess the Christmas movie by these emojis. What do you think this Christmas movie is? Please leave your answer in the comments to let us know. How many Christmas movies can you guess correctly in today's video? Please share with us your score in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and see you in the next video.